It was an emotional day for a Jacksonville man who spent nearly 45 years in prison on a wrongful conviction.
And I would say to myself, well, you'll never be able to see Jacksonville, Florida again. But what I didn't know, that God had a better plan.
79-year-old Willie Williams hugged his family today after the state attorney's office dropped the armed robbery and attempted murder charges against him.
News 4 Jax reporter Ariel Schiller spoke with Williams, who says he can finally put this injustice behind him.
Willie Williams' charges from nearly 50 years ago were officially dropped by the state attorney's office today. I spoke with Williams about how he plans to enjoy his life now that he doesn't have to worry about those charges anymore.
I'm gonna spend time with my wife, my friends, my family, and I tell my wife, we're just gonna live a good life to the best of our ability until our days are called.
Williams was originally arrested for attempted murder and robbery of two people at a Jacksonville produce store in 1975. He was convicted in 1976 and spent 44 years in prison based on eyewitness identification. Brandon Scheck, legal director for the Innocence Project of Florida, says that law enforcement got that identification by hypnotizing the victim. But Williams and his counsel were never made aware of the hypnosis.
And it wasn't disclosed until the state attorney's office in the Fourth Circuit here recently, earlier this year, found out that information from their file, realized that that had not been disclosed, realized the implication of that, disclosed it to Mr. Williams, and that is a violation, a constitutional violation under Brady versus Maryland, where the state had an obligation to disclose that back in 1975.
In 44 years, Williams saw friends either pass away or get killed in prison. He also served food to people on death row, including Ted Bundy. He wasn't sure he'd ever see Jacksonville again until he was released on parole in 2020. He says before his sentence was vacated, he would get nervous if he saw a law enforcement vehicle behind him while driving.
Any violation or any contact you have with the police department, the parole commission can violate you for it and send you back to prison from now on. And now I don't have to do that. I can look in the rearview mirror and don't have to worry about being jittery or being pulled over and maybe stop for a traffic ticket or whatever.
Scheck says the state attorney's office reviewing this case shows that the truth and justice are still important, even when the initial conviction happened almost 50 years ago.
He will no longer be on parole supervision. He will be able to put this matter behind him, and his family can do the same, and he can live a productive, law-abiding life here in Jacksonville.
We reached out to the state attorney's office for comment on those charges being dropped. They say they don't plan to refile charges because hypnotically refreshed memory is not admissible evidence of guilt. Reporting in Jacksonville, Ariel Schiller, Channel 4, the local station.